So this is the New York, room 3518 here in the Empire Tower. As soon as you come in on the right, you have your bathroom, you have your toilet, you have your sink, as well as some tissue and some toilet paper. You have a thing of bar soap as well as some body lotion. On this side, you have your ice bucket as well as 2 cups. You have a full-size mirror as well as a makeup mirror and a hair dryer. You have some towels here as well as your toilet. And then if we close the door, we have, looks like a pretty spacious shower. Inside the shower, you do have your Cure hair conditioner and shampoo, as well as another thing of soap. Coming from the bathroom, right here, you have a writing desk and a lamp, as well as another mirror. The outlet here on the desk is kind of weird, but it does have like a phone jack and like a laptop cord, so you could plug in your ancient computer systems. So the main part of this room is a 2 queen size bedroom. So on the right, you do have your queen size beds. On this side over here, you do have a chair, as well as a little coffee table with another lamp. Directly facing the bed, you do have a TV unit with some drawer space. This is what it looks like once the doors are open. So as you can see on the right hand side, it does have your iron and your ironing board, as well as some hangers. On the left side, there is more hangers. You do have some pretty decent storage space here in this TV unit. Something else to note, on both sides of the doors are mirrors. So there's a lot of mirrors in this room. Something else that is a little odd is this little door here inside of the TV unit. When you open it up, it does reveal your safe, but it's just kind of a weird placement. So our room does look out over the Strip. So we are right in front of the MGM Grand. There's some pretty good view of the roller coaster, as well as like Coca-Cola store and the M&M store. And then on this side over here, you do have the Excalibur and the Luxor. And like I said, we are on the 35th floor, so we are pretty high up. So just to note, we did get this room moderately free. We do play the My MGM reward slots, and we did use one of our promotional coins. I don't know what they would be considered for this room. It was 1 complimentary room. You do have to use it between Sunday and Thursday. It's currently a Tuesday night right now. You have to pay for parking, which is $18 a night, as well as like their resort fee, which I think is like $72. So altogether, it was about $100. When we came to check in, we did ask for a room that was on a higher floor of the hotel. It did put us on the 35th floor. Our promotion was to have a single king size room, but because we asked for the higher floor, they gave us a room with 2 queen size beds. So our overall thoughts are that it's a really big room. The layout of the room is a little weird, that there's like a beam here in the middle of the room. The view is really nice, overlooking the Strip, but overall it is a really outdated room. So this is the view of our room in the daytime. So you can still see pretty good stuff. It does look like a better view at night with all the lights on, but not a bad view. And then that will conclude our tour of room 3518 here at the New York. Please let us know if you have stayed here before in the past, if you want to stay here, if all the rooms look like this. Also, if you want to check out what the casino looks like, go ahead and check out our video. We'll link it up above. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.